some billions of money there, and they will make the two mothers, one director of the other dam, another director of that dam, and then that will be very good. Those mothers will be very happy. They eat some, because even this government, they are taking time to eat. They are saying this is their time to eat, but they have already eaten. They have eaten from the past, and they are still eating. They say they are eating. So why not even this one to eat? Even the mothers to eat. They should also eat something. Otherwise, the last but not least is that what I'm saying, that we talk about memory stick. In our house here, our memory stick was George Odeira. He knew a lot of things, the cultural capital. He knows about customs, traditions, kitwagetiva, a lot of things. A lot of things we cannot die with, in that we are not just able to tap them using memory stick to get them. But we will struggle also to get all those and then have them in the archive. But I'm saying that cultural capital, we have some of them. We have some of them. And if somebody wants to know the Luo, we have some of those. I've written something in 1994 which went to an Italian journal and is detailing a lot about our genealogy up to the house of a dam. But cultural capital is very important, because any nation that does not recognize its culture is a lost nation. Amen. But I hope that we will all recognize what George has done, because he had a lot of that cultural capital. Amen. And so God bless you as you go home. God take care of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Brother James. James ni ene namba rio. Mama gi lungo ni Dino Dero Nyakabola. James ni namba rio. Ten mama chiel ma nyithinda paga ngwen. Kosa paga bi. Gin nyithinda paga ngwen mama chiel. Koro miyo wan joko thoth. The second, adwa the number 1, 2, short Charles. Kata lungo bigogo Helen. Tatieko Dino Nyodero. Adi another place. Anyalo kero mbas na cha anyalo moso mnaji to I know I'll handle it. So Brother Charles is number 3. He's a retired accountant.
Ne jo kanisa jotendgi to gi welo duto mobiro